Hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Caring for a newborn baby of 1 to 2 weeks. Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn on how we can care for our newborn. Once you go through this tutorial you will be able to understand and attain the basic knowledge of caring for a newborn. Many parents, either first-timers or their second childs, need to know the do's and don'ts. If you haven't spent time on a newborn, their fragility may be intimidating. Parent-to-parent advice on feeding, cleaning, and soothing during baby's first days at home may relieve the pressure that comes with newborn. We will be tackling on 4 areas. 1. Breastfeeding. 2. Cleaning of the umbilical cord. 3. Bathing of an infant. 4. General care of an infant. At this stage a lot of care is required for the newborn. The baby requires healthy and adequate milk from their mom. Mother is required to eat foods rich in nutrients to increase milk production and also regain the blood lost during birth. Example of such foods include vegetables, fruits, bone soup, cereals. The parents should also avoid heavy tasks,